Hey and welcome to my channel. My name is Sammy and today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. So I got all my products during the VIB sale, and then the VIB sale has 3 different rankings. There is the VIB Rouge and you get 20% off, and then for that one though, I believe you have to spend $1,000 a year on makeup. There's the VIB, and that one you get 15% off. And I think you have to spend $350 or $500 for that one. I'll check and I'll put the number on the screen. And then there is the Beauty Insider, and you just automatically get that one whenever you sign up with an email. And with that, you get 10% off automatically during the sale. Sephora has sales in the spring and in the fall. Last year though, they had 2 in the fall. They had one at the beginning of September, I believe. And then they had one again at around November, which November is usually the time that they have the sales, but for some reason they had 2. But so far this year they've only had 1, and it was this past like 2 weeks ago. I'll put the dates that it happened as well right up here. But they had the 20, the 15, and the 10% off during the sale. So I picked up some items that I wanted to try and some items that I wanted to get more of because I really liked and I want to use throughout the year. So I thought I would show you guys what I got. Oh, also really quick before I jump into everything, sorry, I already said I would, but I'll have everything listed down in the description with the prices and the links to the items through Sephora's website. And then I'll also put a link to sign up for the Beauty Insider as well if you'd like to become a member of Sephora's royalty program. Kaja Cheeky Stamp Blendable Blush. I got mine in shade 3 Bossy, and it's a soft coral. This is a cushion blush formula with a heart-shaped applicator that blends out to a sheer to buildable flush of color. Show cheeks some love with this cushion blush that delivers a crush-worthy flush. For best use, twist the top to reveal the heart-shaped sponge, pop open the bottom, press the applicator into the cushion compact, stamp once for a natural-looking glow and twice for a bold pop of color. This is formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phosphates.
Pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so.
Next we have the Dior Backstage Contour Palette. A blendable contour palette to effortlessly sculpt and define the face with customized intensity. The Dior Backstage Contour Palette offers shades that suit all skin tones to buildable, matte, and shimmer finishes. It's a must-have tool for contour beginners and professionals alike. The palette has been designed with 2 beige and bronze highlighting powders with concentrated shimmery pigments that are easy to blend for a seamless, natural, luminous effect. It also contains 2 ultra-fine line matte powders that sculpt and define and shape the face without leaving any harsh lines. Use these shades alone together or to customize your contoured look. So in the Dior Backstage Contour Palette, I'm first going in with the shade Contour Light, and I'm going to sculpt my face.
So, okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you.
I'm just going back in the pan and grabbing more as I continue to go.
Want you, and okay, I've been running circles.
I'm gonna go back with my powder brush and like buff this more because I feel like it's looking a little muddy. Like maybe I didn't put on enough powder.
All the time, but I want you.
I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the contour shade Deep and try to like bronze up my face. I'm gonna go very lightly though since it's a dark color. The blush isn't picking up that bright on camera, but in person it's quite bright, like it's there, but I'm not too sure why. Maybe it's like the white balance is kind of off, but Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner, 0.02 ounces, an ergonomic liquid eyeliner pen that gives you total control and ultimate precision. Always On liquid eyeliner easily lines and defines eyes with a high pigment, waterproof formula that lasts for up to 24 hours. The superfine line and easy to control tip precisely draws thin to thick lines, making it easy to ace any look, even if you're a beginner. So I pulled you in a little bit so you could see, but I kind of had to keep pulling it out in order to get like the line sharp enough and like thick enough. Like, I don't know. I thought the tip with this would be fine. I don't know. I think it's because it's so short compared to usual eyeliners that I use. It was just harder for me because I'm used to using longer eyeliners, well, like eyeliner tips. But I mean, I think it'll look fine when there's lashes on, but the only thing too is it's like, I think it's too liquidy because it's starting to like really pull in here. Like I just dragged it down lightly to my inner corner, like I didn't press a lot, and it started just like pooling down in here. And that's something I do not really like when in an eyeliner, so, because then it's like you have to wipe it off and then it can wipe off part of your eyeshadow. The Benefit Roller Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. $22 in the shade Black. This comes in at 0.03 ounces and 1 milliliter. The description of this item is a true matte liquid eyeliner that glides on smooth in precise lines. Perfect for creating any look, from a thin line to a dramatic cat eye. What else do you need to know about the product? Roller Liner is a waterproof liquid eyeliner, features an easy glide, precision felt tip for sharp, controlled lines, and a super smooth application. The quick, dry, waterproof formula lasts up to 24 hours and won't flake, fade, bleed, or smudge. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye now with Benefit Roller Liner. This has a longer tip on it, so hopefully. Oh my god, I'm just stupid. It's fine. And there we go. Basically, I just packed more shadow on top of that because that was my fault and I'm sorry about that. And now to do the wing, and this is gonna be my hardest part because I could never get these two even. Okay, no, ignore that for a second, that line. It's because like when eyeliner for me isn't dry right away and I close my eye, it'll just press up. So I have to let it dry and then I can fix that. While I'm fanning my eyelid for this eyeliner to dry, I'm just gonna say this, so far how it went on, felt like one of the best eyeliners I've ever used for like a liquid felt tip eyeliner. I loved it. Like this was a lot more scratchy and I don't really like that because I feel like it pulls on my eyelid, but this one just like glided on and like it felt smooth. I really like this one. They're not perfectly centered, but it's fine. This though, I love this one. It came out like perfectly nice and sharp. I just went up, down, filled it in, bomb. This one, it's still like, it's sharp, but it's like struggling. Like I had to like keep chiseling it, and I'll show you a little comparison of the tips side by side of these two. Sorry, they're not perfectly focused, but these are the two side by side. On top we have the Benefit and on the bottom we have Smashbox. And I don't know, maybe it's just I have a hard time with the shorter tips. But this one, the Benefit, highly recommend it. I love it so far. From Marc Jacobs, we have the Highliner Gel Eye Crayon Eyeliner. I got the shade Black, and they say Blacker 42. It comes in at 0.01 ounces, 0.5 grams. A gel pot eyeliner in a crayon that delivers intense color in 12-hour waterproof wear and an amazing glide and shimmer and matte finishes. I got the matte finish one, not the shimmer one, but they do have a lot of shimmer shades in this product as well. Next, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs black eyeliner and just put it in my waterline and tight line. This is also a great pencil liner because it glided right on for the bottom, and I usually have a really hard time like tight lining my top, but it just went like whoosh. I had a little trouble with this eye, but whatever, it was easier than it usually is, so I recommend this as well. We have the Dior Addict Lacquer Stick in Rolling, which is a peachy nude. A full coverage lacquer stick that delivers high shine and intense color with just one swipe.
I guess so.
Next, we also have another Dior lacquer stick in shade Tease.
I am a queen, I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
Charlotte Tilbury Kissing Lipstick. Penelope Pink, nude with pink undertones. A signature range of Charlotte's moisturizing lipsticks with a satin cashmere soft finish. Alright, next I have the 3 lip products, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on $5.50 in Tease. Next is $3.34 in Rolling. Charlotte Tilbury in Penelope Pink. The Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. An exfoliating solution to help fight visible blemishes and improve the look of the skin and texture and radiance. This can be used on normal, combination, and oily skin. And for skincare concerns, this helps with blemishes, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness and uneven texture. Some key ingredients in this product are glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. The glycolic acid exfoliates the outer layers of the skin, the lactic acid exfoliates the outer layers of the skin, and the salicylic acid exfoliates the inside pores to reduce congestion. Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. 5 ounces, 148 milliliters. An ultra lightweight leave-in conditioning spray fortified with a unique blend of nourishing rosehip, argan, coconut oils to effectively tame frizz. Hair type, this can be used on straight, wavy, curly, and coily, fine, medium, and thick hair, and it helps with dryness, frizz, and shine. So last year, if you watch some of my older videos, you'll see that like I went through like a hair phase. Like my hair was getting lighter and then it got back to dark. So I was bleaching my hair a lot to get to a gray, but I never really got to the gray that I wanted. And my hairdresser that I was going to kind of like fried my hair in the end. Like she bleached it too much one weekend and I'm still dealing with damage. Like I'm wearing extensions now because my hair is so short from how much like damage was caused to it. Like now it's like to here is my longest like layer, and like my ends are still pretty fried. But this and the Verb Ghost Oil and the Verb leave-in conditioner I've been using off and on for that leave-in conditioner, I feel like are what's been like saving my hair. I've also switched to using Briogeo's conditioner and shampoo as well. I'm using the apple ones. I'm not too sure if they're called apple, but I'll put a picture of those right here too. But this product is amazing. I love it. At first I had like a trial size because during Christmas Briogeo had like the pot of their hair mask, and it came with a bunch of little like samples with it of their other products, and I had 2 of those, and I used 2 of these small bottles, and throughout the whole winter and like up to about a month ago is when I finally ran out of it. I swear that's what's been helping my hair, because then since I haven't had it, my hair I feel like just hasn't been as soft. So if you feel like you need something to like give your hair that extra boost of something to like enrich it and like bring it back to health, I would really try this product. I love it and I highly recommend it. Out of the 2 eyeliners I was talking about, I briefly talked about it before when I was already filming the video when I was putting them both on. This side I have the Smashbox, this side I have the Benefit. This one, even though it says it doesn't tug or drag, I feel like it does. Like unless I got like a bad one, it feels really drying. Like it still has product and it like goes on, as you can see. But with this one, it just like glided on like smooth. There was no tugging. It didn't like pull up any of the eyeshadow. Like sometimes some eyeliners I've used like will pull it and like it'll kind of like meld with the eyeshadow, but this one just like laid on top really nicely. So if you're looking at these 2, I'd definitely go with the Benefit Roller Lash. I really liked this product. I don't know if I like blended it enough over here. It also could kind of be like the shadowing in my room because like my window is right here, and then it's like this is like the shadowed side. They're really soft powders. I really liked them. The only thing, like, I'm not the palest, but I know I'm pretty pale, but if you're like my skin tone or lighter, these 2 are not gonna work for you, because when I have the swatches that I showed like right here, I'll play them again. This one definitely on me, you can still see it. Like, it'll be dark. So if I put it on my cheeks or anything to like highlight, I just think it'll look much darker than like my foundation and everything. And that's not something that I really like in a highlighter. But I mean, if you're darker than me, definitely give this a go. I think it'll look great. But for the contour shades, they worked great. I used this one to contour and this one to lightly bronze. And I really like how they looked, but for $44, if you're just only gonna use the 2 bronzing shades, I don't know if it's too worth it. I mean, I'll definitely get use out of it, and if you like Dior and have used their products before and you really know you'd enjoy it, get it. But I've never used anything by Dior before, so this is my first product by them, besides the lip blackers I got in this video as well. So I'll definitely give it a try. Like, maybe at the end of like the month, I'll give an update and see if I really like it. Like, I'll do a recap, or I'll put it in a favorites. If you see it in a favorites, you'll definitely know if I liked it. But that's what I think about it for now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed my haul. If there are any other hauls you'd want me to do in the future, or products you'd like to see me try, please let me know down below. And thank you so much again for watching this video. And if you'd like, you can subscribe to me, or even just talk to me down in the comments. It'd be cool to get to know some people. So I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!